Want to know how to change your appearance in Lovable AI? So if you want to change your theme or appearance of your Lovable AI to dark, light or just system mode, this video is for you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your website and type in lovable.dev on your website or your web browser and just simply open it up. And once that is done, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened it up, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile. So just simply select it, and once you have selected your profile, here you should be seeing various options, and right above sign out you should be seeing appearance right here. So right here for me, by default it's selected to system theme, and you can change it to dark, light as you want. So the changes should take place automatically. If it doesn't, you can just simply reload the browser, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily change your appearance in Lovable. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.